I think we can agree that Insta360 have pretty much cracked the various corners of the video capture market with an array of camera options, some with fantastic built-in audio solutions. They've even had a good stab at the audio sector with the Mic Air, and now for those after more pro-level audio features in a compact all-in-one design, we have this, the Insta360 Mic Pro. Available in a couple of different transmitter and receiver bundle options, the Insta360 Mic Pro is Insta360's flagship wireless microphone system, and it enters the now crowded small wireless mic sector with two features that its rivals simply can't match: a customizable e-ink display on each transmitter, and a 3-microphone array that uses digital signal processing to simulate different polar pickup patterns. Each transmitter is in essence a small cylindrical puck, 38mm in diameter and just 12mm tall, with the e-ink display taking up one face entirely. It weighs 20 grams without its clip or button magnet attached, making it light enough to clip to a lapel without dragging on clothing. The e-ink display is the first thing anyone will notice about the Mic Pro, however, and rightly so. At 1.22 inches with a 197 ppi resolution, it's sharp enough to render logos and text cleanly, and its 6-color capability means branded graphics translate well. You'll need a connection to the Insta360 app to make changes, of course, but while it may appear a bit of a gimmick for some, it can be quite useful for others. For example, this could be ideal for multi-mic setups where visual identification of transmitter units matters, even just to number them. Bear in mind, swapping an image over can take upwards of around 20 to 30 seconds or so, but because e-ink draws power only during refresh, not while showing it, it barely contributes to battery use at all, and it'll stay there persistently, even when the transmitter is powered off. It's a clever and well-executed idea, and it works perfectly well. Anyways, also on each transmitter at the very bottom, we have a single USB-C port used for transferring audio files, as well as charging the built-in 240mAh battery should the need arise, since otherwise the unit can be charged in its case via the charging pins on the rear. More on that shortly. Note that a USB to 3.5mm adapter is available as a separate purchase, but provides the ability to connect a much more discreet lapel microphone for more stealthy situations where you don't want the large transmitter in the shot. Always great to have that option. Anyways, beside the port we have this red button which activates the onboard backup 32-bit float recording directly onto its built-in 32GB of memory, as well as a power button where multiple taps perform different tasks, be it pairing, locking or activating noise cancellation. Further up, with a small status LED on either side, we have the 3-microphone array, a first for wireless microphones of this size. Not only do these provide full stereo recording from a single unit, they also provide the ability to select from several polar patterns, including omnidirectional, voice focus, cardioid and figure 8. So these are generated by combining the inputs from the 3 microphone capsules using DSP rather than using discrete capsules for each mode. Pretty impressive. Wind muffs are included with the package too and wrap around the top half of the units by clipping into position, an easy to use solution that works perfectly well, although makes for a rather large setup, especially if clipping directly onto your subject. Talking of clips then, when it comes to mounting, the Mic Pro follows the now familiar dual approach used by DJI and others: a small clip for collars, caps and lapels, and once removed, a button magnet for direct attachment to thinner fabrics. All nice and easy. The receiver is a conventional rectangular unit with a cold shoe clip, USB-C and 3.5mm outputs, a single power button on the opposite side, and a single forward-facing display for monitoring levels and changing settings, which is all very easy thanks to its intuitive menu system, accessed with swiping gestures or using the scroll wheel to the side. It's not especially compact by current standards, especially when using the included USB-C adapter and connecting to a smartphone, for instance, where it does feel rather awkward, but it gets the job done. Note, it is advisable to connect to the app and update firmware, of course, which only takes a minute or two, but applies all the latest features. I really do appreciate the top-facing cold shoe mount though, meaning once mounted on top of a conventional camera, as the Mic Pro clip doubles as a cold shoe adapter, you can mount the transmitter directly on top, effectively transforming it to an onboard directional microphone when paired with the cardioid or super directional pickup mode, perfect for run and gun filmmakers. The charging case is where things get a little more mixed though. It looks smart, even though I'm not too keen on the way it opens, but it has space for the receiver, which will even update the charging case firmware, a nice little touch, along with space for the two transmitters. These do magnetically snap down into position and begin charging, although I did find they won't seat properly into place to charge with the clips installed, which is a bit of an oversight. Anyways, thanks to a nice large 2815 mAh battery, it'll keep the devices topped up for an impressive 30 hours of usage. It also has spaces for the various clips and magnets, keeping everything contained nicely together, although there are two minor downsides worth mentioning here. First, there's no dedicated space in the charging case for the 3.5mm audio cable, a small but irritating omission. Second, the Mic Pro's included windshields won't fit inside the charging case either, which means they, like the audio cable, will need to be carried separately instead, most likely in the carry pouch that is conveniently included in the package. So that aside, I have to say the Mic Pro's audio quality is actually superb. Recordings are clean and clear with a 48 kHz sampling frequency and 24-bit wireless transmission that's standard for the class. If you're wondering what the mic can produce, you've actually just been listening to it already. The audio throughout this entire video has been captured directly on the Mic Pro. The selectable polar patterns are generated by combining the inputs from the 3 microphone capsules using DSP, rather than using discrete capsules for each mode, and I found the results to be really good. Where the polar patterns become more useful is when you mount the Mic Pro on a camera's cold shoe and switch it to cardioid or super directional mode, turning it into a passable on-camera directional mic, something DJI's mic series doesn't even allow for. Okay, so here's for another audio sample, now in an external environment. There is a slight breeze in the air, but I do have the windscreen attached to the microphone. The microphone is currently being used in the cardioid mode, kind of like a shotgun microphone. I do find it works really well that way, but all of the audio modes work really well, to be honest. We have a 400-meter range, which is excellent, and the battery life is around 10 hours for the transmitters, 11 hours for the receiver, and a quick 15-minute top up in the actual charging case will give you another 1.5 hours of additional usage, which is all great. It really is making for a great microphone system. All in all then, the Insta360 Mic Pro enters a crowded marketplace, boasting 2 industry-first features: a customizable e-ink display, and a DSP-driven 3-mic array with selectable polar patterns. It backs them up with solid all-round performance, plus superb noise cancelling that clearly outperforms the DJI Mic 3. It's a polished and ambitious product, but with a price that puts it firmly in premium territory, meaning it's best suited to creators for whom those headline features truly matter. Honestly, if you want the best wireless mic setup out there right now, the Insta360 Mic Pro is seriously hard to beat.